Welcome to another episode video on my driving robot Mydfir. Based on fischertechnik rubber interface and equipped with line following sensors, color recognition sensors and 2 active sonars. Also with some LEDs to indicate that some object has been detected. So this one for this sonar, this one for this sonar, and a buzzer to indicate if a color has been detected somehow, and also responding for various colors if the light condition is matching. And talking about light, the track sensors have been covered now with 2 shields, one here and one there. And the reason for that is because it turned out that they are very sensitive where it comes to brightness of light. And the question is, will that go nice now? For now I have not put any objects on the tracks. They are of course at hand, but first let's see if the robot can nicely follow a track. Anyway, so I will activate the robot. You can see that here, and it goes wrong straight away. Now you can, right, this doesn't go right. So shall I wait till it actually completes the circle? And then it should get on track again. Yes. And it misses it again. And then it should go again, hopefully. No. So now it's in an unending loop, I'm afraid. But the recent software should... Oh, and that is an unexpected side effect. Yes, so let me stop this. Alright, I modified the robot. Let that go, that's a light cap. I modified the robot so it shields the sensor from brightness. But as you can see, it now gets stuck here and pushes it away. That is a problem that I did not directly foresee, so I have to shift it up in order to avoid that happening. And for the rest I have to find out why it keeps losing its track again, despite these modifications. So let's see. This has to be a little bit up. This has to be a little bit up. And see again. But of course, let's first pull this a little bit closer. Up here, and remove that light cap. And then see whatever happens again. Alright, so now we're here again, and the question is, when did it go here without, well, stopping? No. Data. Search for detection. Wait a second, wait. Something goes wrong here. Very wrong indeed. Because this is right side 2 is here. Now here, line detect +1. Oh wait. Oh, that's a nice one. Is my algorithm correct in this one? Line detect is here declared as 0, that's good. But right side 2 it just adds on. I have to revise my algorithm. Because here it is adding line detect, but I need a break at 2. So if how do I do that? That is a good one. Do I do that in here or do I do that in here? It just goes on. Oh wait, yeah, I can do it like this and line underscore detect smaller than 2. Right. If line detect becomes 2, then do this. I think that is a way better option. So let me copy this one and put it right here. And do exactly the same right here. And the same right here. I think this will work better. Otherwise it goes on and on. Because I didn't foresee this one. I could foresee but didn't. So thankfully I make a data description or data log. Anyway, let's go again. It's put not right on the line, now it is. Hopefully these brightness caps are functioning. So let's go. It loses the line. And now I wonder what happens if it touches, if it comes right here. Okay, yeah, correct. No, it's not correct. Because it misses the line now. Or does it? Yeah, it totally misses the line. But why does it shift it away is the big question. That shouldn't. Something pushes it away. Alright, so let's get it back. Put it on the line again. Let's examine the data. Detect. Yeah. But it doesn't break. If line detect is equal to 2, it doesn't print it, so it doesn't even get into this one. That's not good. Any more? Oops. No. I need to be right here. Any more? No, none more. Okay. Next, try. And let's go. Hopefully that it now managed to follow the track better. So what's wait, why does it lose the track now? Does it indeed loses the track? Hold on, I need diagnosis, which is where again? I forgot to start it. Here. Alright. Opening interface. Yeah. So this is just a matter of a millimeter, and of course that can be more than enough, but in this case I'm wondering why it is happening anyway. Alright, that's good. That's good too. Okay. Motors, no problem. Sensors, no problem. Where it comes to detection. Where it comes to algorithm is a different story. Go. Here it is clearly correcting. And that goes. Again. And now again, why does it Okay, didn't think of that one. And okay, hold it. I had to move the camera because it was stuck. The robot was stuck behind it. But why does it move the road map? Why does it move the map? That is not promising. Not promising at all. Let's see if there has anything changed. Not that I can see apart from these two. No, really. Okay, let's do it without the light caps, the brightness caps. Is there any change? Put them in the middle of the truck again and go. Looking good. But how can it lose track here? It is at the start of the... It's really at the start of the curve. That is very, very strange. No use to look at detect, line detect. Why does it do that? Okay, time to check the diagnostics again, I think. So, open. Alright. Once again. You see that I barely move it. But the point is, now that I think about it, and that's worrying, this is all one. When I look at it, here is one sensor, here's the other. It cannot have lost both. Impossible. That is really impossible. Because one sensor is still above the line. So how can it lose both the sensors? Or more appropriately, 4 of them. That is simply not possible. Something is very wrong with the sensors here. The big question is what? Alright, so wondering with the wondering about the sensors. I know they work because if I turn the robot just like this and then watch at the diagnostics, they simply work. Then the question, what distances are the sensors from each other. Sensor 1, 2, 3 and 4, or more appropriate 1, 2, 3 and 4, because this is reversed compared to this one. And then it turned out they are exactly half a centimeter apart from each other, and the center is exactly the center. So when I put it right here, it should go exactly as planned. And now you can see in the diagnostics that it is exactly as should. So it is really 1, 2, 4 and 3, exactly like that. And unfortunately, I cannot use the diagnostics to let it run in a straight way. But I need this. And then it should be better if I have this changed, because now I put them all below each other, and that should actually be next to each other, because here no line, which is right here. So I should rework this and have it put next to each other. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that should be better, because then I can see whenever things really go wrong, although this shows up as well. Anyway, let's do another attempt. Let's see whatever happens. This goes nicely, this goes nicely, and here it goes wrong. Then the question is, of course, exactly where it does go wrong, and I have to look into the data again. So where does line 2 go? 1. That's a good one. Line 2. Where does it go? 1. Right here. It signals the color blue. That may be so. Yeah, alright. Although that is not entirely true, because one of the color sensors hasn't yet detected blue. I don't hear a buzzer. Apart from that, no line, no line, no line, no line. So apart from a missing buzzer element, which is here is output 7, so I could check output 7 for a moment. Oh, it is still running. No. Now it is running. Output 7. Alright, no doubt. There is no doubt that that works. Alright, but still, apart from that, a buzzer that didn't work. How come that it in this case is losing the line totally, with the line sensor working perfectly? Doesn't make sense. I know that last time the light conditions were totally different, but that's where this one and that one come in, because they shield it from the brightness you see appearing here. So that's a mystery, a big mystery, and I don't have an answer yet. And once again I'm at the end of this experiment. So you've seen the results. Sensors that do work, buzzer that does work, but not apparently in the algorithm. Other light conditions than in the previous episode, but it should work anyway. So what about it? I have no clue. I didn't change the algorithm on second thought, because 1010 should be good to go. Is it the battery pack? No, because you see that the light is shining very brightly. It has no problem running. Coloring, well, it almost enters the blue, but the color sensors haven't yet reached blue. So in this position, why does it say it has recognized the color blue on either side? That doesn't make sense. And given the fact that I haven't yet calibrated or I haven't calibrated the colors in a long time, they will not have the good values to be recognized. So apart from that, I'm not quite sure how to continue. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. On Instagram I have an assembly of pictures I take at the end. And please make a little donation to support the blog. You can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned as such. More information, or better said, all information, website, social media, and how to support under this video. And well, this is obviously going to be continued. So thanks for watching again, and bye.